Conversational AIs are opening new opportunities in every industry by automating tasks with apps like chatbots and virtual assistants. But it takes a lot of effort to build the models that run beneath these applications, and there are many models that go into a typical conversational AI pipeline. Enterprises and academic institutes are in a race to produce the best models. So, researchers are on tight deadlines to achieve state-of-the-art accuracy on tasks like recognizing speech amidst noisy data, understanding nuances in human conversations, and generating human-like speech to deploy in a production environment. Current frameworks provide low-level APIs to build the models, which requires researchers to write a lot of boilerplate code, non-semantic connections, and hooks to make a model. Also, many existing frameworks support building speech recognition, language understanding, or speech synthesis models, but few seamlessly support all three. NeMo is a focused toolkit that lets you build a full range of language and speech models. NeMo simplifies the development of complex neural network architectures for conversational AI. It breaks down the monolithic flow into reusable neural modules that take typed input and produce typed output. Models, encoders, decoders, language models, loss functions, optimizers, and much more are just a simple import or an edit in a config file away. Neural modules can be reimagined as Lego blocks that can be used to construct a neural network. NeMo is built to work on top of PyTorch and PyTorch Lightning. So for example, you can import a QuartzNet model for automatic speech recognition, a BERT model for natural language processing, a Tacotron model for text-to-speech, and the loss functions and optimizers you want from NeMo or PyTorch. Then, you can use the customized PyTorch Lightning data loader and schedulers you wrote and train as you see fit. NeMo also works quite well with Facebook's Hydra and can meet your customization needs for each model with simple changes in a config file. There are multiple ways to get your hands on NeMo: through NVIDIA NGC or pip install, or simply build it from GitHub. Let's have a look at the NeMo resources available on NGC. In the catalog, you can find a Docker container along with many pre-trained models to help get you started. Installing NeMo using pip is quite simple. Either you can get the stable version with pip or install the nightly version with GitHub. To install from source, first make sure you have the basics, and then directly install the library from GitHub repository, which takes care of all the dependencies. Check out the GitHub repository for more examples. Okay, now let's see what NeMo brings to the table. Getting a speech recognition model up and running is a simple 3-step process. First, we import NeMo and the NeMo ASR submodule. Second, we import QuartzNet, a state-of-the-art ASR model. And third, we simply pass some WAV files we have into the model. And just like that, we have a speech transcription up and running. We understand that building accurate, natural conversational AI models require a ton of customization. In the case of defining an ASR model, there are 6 things to consider while making the config file: preprocessing layer, encoder, decoder, optimizer, spectrogram augmentation, and the data loaders. Let's take a closer look at the encoder and decoder. You can define the input features, filters, kernel sizes, and more for each layer by simply adding some text. This enables easy access to edit and build different architectures on the fly, removing the need to rewrite and edit code in various network classes and then in the training and inference loop. This makes the config file a single-stop solution for editing the entire pipeline, simplifying the process for iterative training and testing. Say you want to retrain a model, add a character to the vocabulary, you have multiple systems and GPUs, and you want to use a PyTorch Lightning trainer while you're at it. Well, that is exactly what these 7 lines do. Here, we are adding an exclamation mark to the vocabulary using AN4 dataset to retrain, enabling mixed precision training, and using 2 GPUs on 2 different nodes. All that in just a few lines. How awesome is that? We would like to leave you with 4 key takeaways. NeMo helps simplify and abstract the complications of building a conversational AI model. NeMo can seamlessly work with PyTorch and PyTorch Lightning. We aren't trading customization for abstraction. Integration with Hydra offers complete customizability. It is very easy to enable mixed precision and distributed training to speed up the training and testing process of models. Thank you! We hope you find NeMo in your imports pretty soon.